We all know that art is a medium for people to express their feelings, and artists express their feelings through their art. In this regard, a special painting exhibition has been organized at the Guwahati Artists Guild in Chanmari, Guwahati, courtesy of the State Art Academy of Manipur. This exhibition is the 30th edition of the Academy, which has commenced in Guwahati from today. Paintings by the State Art Academy of Manipur are being showcased in this three-day exhibition. Manipur Art Academy Secretary Sunanda Thokchom and former principal of Manipur Art Academy Yumnam Navachandra Singh were present on the occasion today, along with retired administrative officer of Assam Swapnalil Borua. The painting exhibition assumes significance as it comes in the backdrop of the current situation in Manipur. My colleague Ankita Mishra caught up with Sunanda Thokchom, Yumnam Navachandra Singh and Swapnalil Borua at the exhibition today. Let's listen in to what they had to say.
It's a great pleasure that the group exhibition of the State Kala Academy of Manipur, where about 30 artists are displaying their works in the gallery of the Guwahati Artists Guild at Chanmari for 4 days from today. It's a great occasion to see such beautiful work coming out from the artists of a turmoil province, which we feel that will cumulatively add to their efforts in promoting peace and harmony back to the troubled state. It is indeed worthwhile to note that the variety of the work that has been brought reflects the creative energies of the artists of Manipur, and no amount of trouble has been able to contain their creativity. Our ardent request is that everyone come and see the exhibition and encourage the artists of Manipur.
This is the 30th edition of Grobat Exhibition. Grobat Exhibition is an exhibition organized by Manipur State Kala Academy, which is held outside the state of Manipur. Basically, the main objective of organizing such event is to give our artists the platform at a national level.
We are coming from Manipur State Kala Academy, and right now we are showcasing around 29 art works. Say for example, like 20 painting we have, and 4 sculpture which is scattering around, displaying around, and 5 other graphics work. So this system of traveling this exhibition is every year we go to some state. Right now we are having in Guwahati. Previously we have been held exhibition in Calcutta, Delhi, and Chennai, and so many other. This is the 30 times we are having the exhibition. Artists are very young, prominent, and they are totally working very hard. And these are the kind of developments of our Manipuri State Kala Academies. Activities will be keep on going. Right now, our state is turmoil, law and order is worsens very shocking. Now government has already banned the internet, and the curfew is keep on imposing every day, and every district is having the problem. Particularly union government also sending armed force regiments and other so many nearly say 60,000-70,000 has been keep on coming by army's plane, and now I must say our state is is not in a very good condition. Even though being an artist, we just conveying our peace and harmony, showing the exhibition and we just hoping for the peacefulness of the country, our state.
इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं गुवाहाटी स्टेट आर्टिस्टिक गिल्ड में, जहां पर खास प्रदर्शनी लगाई गई है, विभिन्न कलाओं की प्रदर्शनी लगाई गई है, विभिन्न पेंटिंग्स की प्रदर्शनी लगाई गई है। और यह प्रदर्शनी इसलिए भी खास है क्योंकि यहां पर मणिपुर से यहाँ पर आर्टिस्ट आए हैं अपनी प्रदर्शनी को लेकर, अपनी पेंटिंग्स को लेकर। तो मणिपुर में इस वक्त जिस तरह के हालात बने हुए हैं, काफ़ी तनावपूर्ण हालात बने हुए हैं वहाँ पर, और इन सब के बीच में वहाँ के हालातों को चुनौती देते हुए आर्टिस्ट ने अपने अंदर की जुनून को चुनौती दी है, और अपने अंदर की जो प्रतिभा है, अपने अंदर की जो महत्वाकांक्षा है, उन सबको इन तस्वीरों के ज़रिए बताया गया है। और ख़ास ये प्रदर्शनी में हिस्सा लिया है इतनी चुनौतीपूर्ण स्थिति के बाद भी। तो कैमरा पर्सन मानव दास के साथ मैं अंकिता मिश्रा, नॉर्थ ईस्ट लाइव के लिए।